What's up YouTube? Welcome to Code with Lakshit. So now I'm going to tell you how you can host your website on the browser so other people can also watch it. But before that, I want to tell you that you have to create a virtual environment for your code to run. Now it is running on the PC system. Here you can see it is running on your PC, but we want it as a virtual environment. What is a virtual environment? It is just a I have also like running a machine in a cloud, like I'm running Linux on a cloud. Here is a virtual box. I'm running Linux on this virtual box. Like that, we will run Python on the virtual box. So how can we do that? First, go to your command prompt and install virtual var virtual nv. I have already installed it, but you have to install it. After that, simply go to the folder and locate for the folder where you have put it the project. In my case, I have put it here. Now, create a new folder outside this project. Let's say name any project. Let's say my web, and here in this my web, put this folder. It will take some time. Oh, it is showing us error because we are running it. Simply cross it and try again. Okay, it has been moved successfully in my web, and here in this my web, open virtual visual studio, sorry, and now open terminal. In the terminal, like python n comma m, not comma, it's a slash. I don't know what to call it. I think it's a hyphen m. This hyphen m is used to locate folders in the from it is used to locate folders using command prompt. And you when we it is a, let's say, method from the virtual NV file, virtual NV library. It's a method from virtual NV library, and it is used to create a new file. Now here we will create a new folder. Let's say you can name it any folder, but I am naming it virtual. After you press enter, here the new folder will be created successfully. Here you can see here all the libraries, all the everything script of the Python is stored. It has created a virtual environment for us. Here you can see here's a python.exe file. Here you can see all files are adding. Now what we have to do, if you want to run Python in the virtual environment, simply go to this folder. For that, type the folder name virtual, then backward slash, then scripts, then Python. In this way, the Python will be started virtually, but we don't want that. I will tell you. Simply exit it. We want to run the website in the virtual environment. For that, we will first install Flask in our virtual environment. Previously, we have installed in our system, but now we will install it in our virtual environment. For that, simply locate the folder virtual, then backward slash, then scripts. Then here in the script, put install Flask. Okay, it is collecting the Flask. wait for some time. Your Flask has been successfully installed. After that, we have to run the this file which we have created in our previous tutorial, the website which we have created in the previous tutorial. We will run this file in the virtual environment. For that, simply locate the folder virtual, then backward slash, then scripts, then in script Python we want to, it is a Python file, that's why we will put a Python file. Then we'll put a folder name, in my case core web, then backward slash, then I will put the file name, in my case it is a webbook.py. Oops, web.py. Let's see. Yep, it is running fine. Let's check our website. Okay, there is no effect on our website, so it is running finely. So that's all for this tutorial. If it looks confusing to you, ask me in the comment box, and in the next tutorial I'll explain you how you can host your website. So thank you and meet you in the next tutorial.